Hey guys, it's me, Keandra Shante, aka the Curly Key, and I am back with a new video for the avocado banana hair mask that I did. This is actually day 4 hair. Technically it's day 2 because I wore my hair in a bun for 2 days. But as you can see, my curls look amazing. Like, my hair feels so good. So I would definitely recommend this mask. I'm going to make a video on how exactly I made the mask, which is basically putting the ingredients in a blender. But just because people asked for me to make the video and they want to see exactly what ingredients and how much and measurements of everything, then I will make that video. Until then, what I will say is, if you are going to attempt to make this mask without seeing my video, watch either other tutorials, or my suggestion is just to make sure you blend the mask very well. So the banana and the avocado are both really chunky if you do not blend them well. So if you're gonna mash or basically anything besides pureeing it, you need to use a strainer or something afterwards to pull out the chunks, because any chunks that are left in your hair will stay there. It is a disaster and a mess to try and get out, and half the time you don't even get them out, and it takes days to like weeks to be trying to get them chunks out. So after I show you guys how to apply it and what it looks like without any sort of product in my hair, then I will add my conditioner, my leave-in conditioner, my styler, and then at the end of adding my styler, I just scrunch some coconut oil under my ends. I did diffuse my hair because I had somewhere to go, so it needed to be dry, but other than that I didn't do anything. And then once it was diffused, I pulled it up in a bun. So you'll see at the end of the video after 2 days, when I take it down to show you like the results of when it has all the product in it, then I pull it out of the bun and you'll see how it looks. But this is day 2, so yesterday I filmed what it looks like out of the bun, and then this is what it's looking like today. So if you want to see how I got my hair to look like this and how I did the mask and applied it, then just keep watching. So I've already done one half of my hair, so we're just gonna start on the other half. I'm gonna start by just lightly spritzing my hair with water to dampen my strands before I apply the mask. Here's what the mask looks like. It's very thick and creamy. It is not runny, almost like a hair smoothie or like the curl enhancing smoothie from Shea Moisture that I used to use. We're just gonna apply that all over the whole section. You don't want to saturate it yet. You just want to make sure that all of your hair gets some of the mask on it, so each strand is coated evenly. I like to focus on my ends just because since those are the oldest part of your hair, they're most likely to break. Now I'm going to show you how I apply the mask to my scalp. You almost want to do it just like you were getting a perm or a relaxer. So you're going to part across the section and then just apply the mask to your roots. You want to apply a generous amount on both sides of the part, and then also in the middle on your scalp. This mask is also really good for promoting hair growth, so you want to make sure to get your scalp as well, not just your hair. And then you're just going to continue doing that same technique, so just parting it down the middle again into another section, trying to get it somewhat even, and then just apply the mask on both sides of the part to your roots. Once I finish with this part, then I will go ahead and speed up the video for you guys. You're just going to repeat this all over your head. So I'm going to repeat it, I think 2 more times on this section, and then I'm going to go to the next section and finish applying the mask on to there. Okay, so now we are all finished. This is what we're looking like. Obviously, one side is more recently done. The other side has already started to absorb the mask. So I'm just going to apply the rest of the mask that I have left over all over my hair wherever I can. Okay, now that I have applied all of the mask all over my hair, I'm going to clip it up and we are going to let this sit in our hair. So I'm just going to apply a shower cap. I use 2 to keep in the heat. And then I also wrap a cotton long sleeve t-shirt around to also help trap that heat and give me a really, really deep treatment. Alright, so this is 2 hours later. I have rinsed my hair out and my hair has no product in it. I wanted to be able to show you guys what my hair looks like after the treatment without any products applied. Alright, so this is what my curls are looking like. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see them. Obviously my hair is so much more moisturized. It's no longer dry at all. My curls feel so soft. They have never felt this soft, ever. I have shine, it has bounce, I have volume. This is awesome. I really loved this mask and I would definitely recommend it. After I finished the treatment, I styled my hair as I normally would. So I applied a leave-in conditioner and then a styling product. And after I diffused my hair, then I added in some coconut oil. And then here are the results. Alright, so I hope you guys loved the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe below, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if you try this and it works. Even if it doesn't work, leave a comment and just tell me if you tried it and how it worked out for you. If you have any styles or any other videos you want to see from me, then please leave a comment below. Otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!